Shopify point of sale review. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be reviewing and telling you about Shopify POS. So let's get into it. So if you don't know what POS is, POS stands for point of sale, and it is a application by Shopify that you can download on any devices such as a laptop or a phone, and you can use it to manage your payments, your customers, your sales, and your revenue. And it's very easy. You can use it anywhere in a brick and mortar store, in a pop-up shop, or your online store as well. It depends on you how you want to use it. And it's the setting up is very simple. You just have to add in some of your products right here, get the point of sale application, which they will send you by scanning the QR code or sending the download link, or you can order the hardware accessories, which you can buy directly from Shopify and they will ship it to you. That will already have all the things for you, such as the application and the payment system and everything. And they even let you set up a payment provider as well, and then you just simply have to set up your taxes, and you are good to go. After that, you can add POS staff, you can set up a local pickup, and you can set up shipping, in-store customers, and customize your printed receipts. So they have tons and tons of services that they provide. Now when it comes to pros and cons, there are some pros and cons out there, as you can see right here on this website, which I found really, really helpful to understand what it is and how good it is. So, and as you can see, some of the pros are that they constantly improve and the cost remains the same. They don't have a lot of issues, right? Shopify has been a great as a shopper because it helps me have all the information in one place. And their handheld card reader is very, very good. The software is really good and it integrates smoothly with my Shopify store. So as you can see, it's really good. Some of the cons are over here as well, such as its inability to set up variable priced items. So you got to do a little quick sale, and there's no way of identifying the product that was sold from your inventory tracking, as you can see right here, such as customization issues. And of course, this guy right here says the customer support is not really good. They have messed up their tax rate. So as you can see, there are some pros and there are cons as well, but it depends on you. Maybe for you, these might not be the issues. Maybe for you, some other issues arrive. Maybe these might not be the pros. You might enjoy something else. But as you can see, perspective changes. But all in all, point of sale is actually really, really good. And as I said before, you can buy their retail hardware that you can buy directly from Shopify. And over here are some of the supported countries in which you can use point of sale and buy the hardware. So over here are the countries that are supported by the hardware by Shopify. So keep that in mind. If you live in any other country, unfortunately I don't think they would send it to you. But and they also give a 30-day return policy to these countries as well, as mentioned. So there you go. This was a brief review of POS. So thank you guys for watching, and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.